We'll guide you through how to monetize your Facebook account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. So you want to go and start monetizing your personal Facebook account. We're going to guide you through this step by step, as this can be a great way to start earning money and it's a great side hustle you can do. So we're going to guide you through the steps you need to take in order to do this and then the different ways it can be done. Make sure it's this full guide so you know what you need to do. So to go and get started with this, you want to go and head to the bottom right of Facebook, potentially the top right, depending upon where the bar is, and press Profile. Previously, this would have gone and taken you to the Facebook menu page, which would look something like this. So you can tap your name at the top to get your profile. Now, on your profile page, you need to go to the top right and find the three dots to the right of the pen or pencil icon, but to the left of the magnifying glass, the search icon, tap the three dots. Profile settings will go and open up. Scroll down and you want to go and find the option for turn on professional mode and you want to go and tap there. So this will go and give us the monetization features. So you need to go and tap there. As you can see with this, anyone can follow you. You can get paid for your content and you can see content insights. Let's press turn on, wait for this to load. Now we can go through here and there's some different settings you can adjust. So we can go and set the audience. I'll set it to public and press next. Review these settings. If you're sure, you can press confirm. Then you can go and see the options here. I'll cover this more in a moment, the monetization tools, but press next for now. You're going to get access to other professional tools as well. Press next, go and wait, and you can go and press next, and we can then press go to professional dashboard. Just press profile again in the bottom right or top right, just so I can guide you through how you're going to get there again. On your profile page here, you may need to refresh, and you should see the option for dashboard, which you can then tap on. Then at the top, you can go along and find the option for monetize. Now we can start seeing this here. At the top, you can go and start doing partnership ads. So you can go and use approved ad partners there. Next, you can go and start going through here. So here we have stars. You do need to meet the criteria for this. So fans can support you by sending these. If you go and look here, you can see what you need to meet. You can also go and have subscriptions. So you can let your audience support your work with monthly payments. You can then go and get content monetization. So this is invite only, but you can then earn money from Facebook for all your well-performing eligible content. And you've also got a storefront. So you can earn money by offering videograms, which are custom videos from you to fans. So that's it. That's how you can monetize your account on Facebook.